The next time you decide to marinate some chicken, spare a minute or two and make this homemade chicken seasoning. Trust me, you are going to love it. So here is the recipe. You're probably going to have all, if not most of these ingredients already at home. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt, followed by a teaspoon of black pepper. Grind your black pepper if it's whole. If it's already grounded, then that makes your job easier. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon and a half of smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then with that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Then add your dry herbs, your dry rosemary, coriander, and parsley, 1.5 teaspoons of each. Go on and add your dry basil. 1/2 teaspoon will do just fine, but make sure you're doing this indoors or the wind just might surprise you. Last but not least, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of sumac for that extra bit of tang. If you can't find any sumac, go ahead and add a squeeze of lemon or lime when you are marinating the chicken. Transfer your spice blend into a mason jar and give it a good shake until everything is well combined. Wash and prep your chicken. Today I am using drumsticks which I have cleaned and scored. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of our chicken seasoning and proceed to add about a tablespoon of knockoff seasoning. With that, I'm also adding some chili paste which I have prepared earlier. Add a bit of olive oil, get in there with some gloves, and make sure that the marinade is evenly distributed. So today we are going to cook our chicken in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. To ensure that our drumsticks remain nice and juicy, we're going to cook it for the first half an hour covered. Make sure that it's done the majority of the cooking. And then for the next 45 minutes, we're going to cook it uncovered to give it that beautiful golden exterior. This chicken was so delicious and juicy. I enjoyed it with some flatbread and some toum, which is the Lebanese garlic dip. Don't forget to store your seasoning in an airtight container and use it at your convenience. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to like and follow for more.